Thomas, how are you today?
Hello, hello. I'm very good. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Um, so we know each other, but not everybody does. So just tell me a little bit about what you're doing. Where are you these days? Who are you? Who are you, Thomas?
My name is Tomas, and I am originally from Lithuania, in Hebrew called Lita. I live in Australia since 2010, and I'm currently working for a company called RedHat. It's an American company. They have been recently acquired by IBM. They specialize in open source software, famous for Red Hat Enterprise Linux and sponsors of Fedora project. It's a Linux distribution, open source Linux distribution that I recommend everyone to try. And more recently, they have been really getting some press around their Kubernetes distribution called OpenShift. And I work in that company as a site reliability engineer, and I help manage the OpenShift fleet of clusters that are running for our customers in Amazon and Google clouds. We have a different team that is responsible for Azure because it involves slightly different operations and procedures. So yeah, that's a short introduction about me.
Okay. So for anybody who doesn't know, what is this? Because like,
What is Kubernetes?
yes.
Uh, I guess yeah, I can start with a very long introduction.
No, no, no.
Uh, yeah.
Short and short.
Kubernetes is basically a container orchestration platform. It allows you to set up your workloads, your containerized workflows and workloads, and allows you to expose those workloads to public through custom domains and basically serving any kind of requests on the web or similar like that. Um, the other thing worth mentioning is that it's running on the Linux machines, so it's a big fleet of Linux servers that are hosting those Kubernetes clusters, and inside of which our customers running their workloads. The benefit of using Kubernetes from their perspective is that they don't have to learn the different stacks. They don't have to learn about how to what are the differences between, let's say, Google Cloud versus Amazon Cloud versus Microsoft Cloud versus IBM Cloud. For them, that experience and the knowledge that they have around the Kubernetes and the installation, it's all completely transferable between the clusters. Kubernetes is just the same. So they don't have to worry about having that infrastructure and looking after the underlying platform and all of the networking and all of the hardware and all of the other requirements. They can focus purely on their own applications. And what's really good is that it promotes no vendor lock-in. It means that today you could be running applications on Amazon Cloud, but tomorrow you can be running them on Google Cloud. If your requirements change, or if your company policy changes, or if your government policy changes that, for example, requires you to deploy your applications into the geography where your country operates, and let's say your cloud provider doesn't have the presence, you can quickly migrate to your region and transfer your workloads there. So it's very flexible, allows you to very quickly spin up and spin down services and manage them. So yeah, that's basically it.
Cool. I think everybody uses it, even without knowing, right?
A lot of people do use that without knowing. Definitely, a lot of telecommunications companies, a lot of banking, a lot of big companies and services, like for example, rail and telecoms and yeah, big services like that. They rely already on the cloud, on Kubernetes and on Red Hat.
So thank you so much, Thomas. Do you have anything
Then,
else you want to say before we finish?
no, thank you for having me, Ella, and I just wanted to wish to all the people that are watching this and on a start journey of the software careers and the computer technology careers. I wish you all the best. You are doing one of the best fields, best areas to date. There's going to be so many opportunities. Software is going to be it already is defining our future and our world. So yeah, I wish you best of luck with that, and yes, please do check out careers at RedHat. We have office in Rana in Israel. We have very great engineers working in that office from Israel. Yes, we are constantly looking for new people to join our team. We have internship programs. So we have a very friendly environment for new graduates. So there's really great opportunities for all of those wishing to pursue.
Sounds good. Okay. Thank you, Tomas. Have a good.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for having me, and we'll speak to you very soon.